Title: The Future is Here. Drive Beyond. Synopsis: Set in the year 2005, Drive Beyond follows the story of a young inventor, Arav, who partners with Tata Motors to create the car of the future. The new model, Tata Infinity, isn't just an electric vehicle, it's an intelligent machine that can learn, adapt, and even connect emotionally with its user. However, Arav's vision is challenged when corporate rivals attempt to sabotage the unveiling, and Arav must rely on Dika and his team to prove that innovation can triumph over greed. Opening scene. Setting: a futuristic Tata Motors design lab in Pune, India. Visuals: the camera pans over a sleek, metallic prototype of Tata Infinity. Screens around the lab display holograms of cutting-edge designs. Arav, in his late suffer, is testing the AI interface with his team. Arav, excitedly, this isn't just a car, it's a partner. It learns you, grows with you, and makes driving safer than ever before. Teammate, do you think the world is ready for this, Arav? Arav smirks, they'll have no choice. Tata Infinity is more than ready. The conflict. Rival company executives at Global Automotives learn about Tata's groundbreaking model. Fearing the competition, they plant a mole in Arav's team to sabotage the project. Key scene. During a secret test drive, Tata Infinity's AI detects tampering in its system and warns Arav just before an engineered crash attempt. Arav realizes someone close to him has betrayed the team. Turning point. Arav uses Tata Infinity's advanced capabilities, self-repair, AI-driven analytics, and remote connection to the Tata network, to uncover the mole. Along the way, the car's AI, named Anya, starts showcasing traits of emotional intelligence, forging a bond with Arav. Anya AI voice: Arav, trust isn't just a human trait. It's built one decision at a time. I've got your back. The climax. At the official launch event, Arav's team is ambushed by the rival company's hackers, attempting to disable Tata Infinity. In a high-stakes chase and battle of wits, Arav uses the car's unique features, adaptive driving, AI-assisted aviation, and drone integration, to expose the rivals' corruption to the world. Closing scene. The film ends with a grand launch of Tata Infinity, showcasing its futuristic design and capabilities. Arav reflects on the journey and what it represents for the future of mobility. Arav, this isn't just a car, it's a revolution, and the road ahead, it's infinite. As the car zooms into a futuristic skyline, the screen fades to black, with the Tata Motors logo appearing alongside the tagline. Tata Infinity, the future drives you. Themes and features highlighted. A. Sustainability, the car's electric powertrain and use of recyclable materials. 2. Safety, AI predictive technology that avoids accidents. 3. Innovation, features like biometric recognition, emotion-based AI interaction, and autonomous driving. 4. Human connection, the bond between Arav and Dika highlights the potential harmony between technology and humanity. Would you like me to elaborate on any specific part of this script, or create a detailed scene?